Welcome, PVE second grade students. I am Mrs. Webster, and we are going to talk about making inferences today. After this lesson, you will know what an inference is and how to read a text to make an inference. I am sure you're asking yourself, what is an inference? We make inferences all the time in our daily life. Suppose you walk into a room and find someone there hitting their head. You can infer that they are frustrated about something. Suppose you get to school and you see your friend is hunched over. Then you see a torn paper on the floor. You can infer that they are sad because their homework is torn. An inference is an educated guess based on clues that are in front of us or the clues the author gave us, combined with our background knowledge, which is our schema. Here's a graphic we can use to remember what an inference is. Using the clues in the book plus my own thinking will equal an inference. When making an inference, we can use the sentence, I think that this has happened or this is going on because of what was given in the book. Good readers make inferences all the time. Inferences are required in daily life, but they are also required when you are reading, watching a movie, or listening to music. Good readers make inferences about text and unknown words using their schema or background knowledge to better help them understand what they are reading. Good readers are constantly making inferences as they read. This is because writers don't always tell us everything. They want us to think while we are reading, and that's what makes reading so fun. Let's read this example together. Pat sat at the front of the table with a big smile on his face. His families and friends sang him a song. Then he blew out 7 candles on the cake. Notice that this paragraph never tells us that it is Pat's birthday, but we immediately make that inference because of the details that the author has provided. The first sentence provides clues that this must be a special day because he gets to sit at the front of the table. And he has a big smile. The next sentence tells us that they are singing. I don't know too many times when family and friends sing to me except for my birthday. The last sentence confirms my inference that it is Pat's birthday because he is blowing out 7 candles. I always have a cake and blow out candles on my birthday, so it must be Pat's birthday too. Let's do another example together. Read along with me. Ken reached into his pocket and took out some change. He stood in front of the machine and looked at the lighted buttons. Then he inserted the coins into the slot and pushed one of the buttons. What is Ken doing? This paragraph never tells us what he is doing, so I have to make an inference from the details the author has provided. The first sentence tells me he has money. He took it out of his pocket, so he probably wants to buy something. The second sentence says he is in front of a machine with buttons. So if he wants to buy something, he's not at a grocery store or a restaurant. The third sentence says he put his money in a slot and pushed a button, so he must be buying a snack or pop from a vending machine. That's making an inference. So remember, use the clues and your own thinking to make an inference. What you read plus what you know equals your inference. Good luck inferring what the text says. Remember to use what you know and the clues the author gives you. Good luck, everyone.